quite literally just got a call from someone who needs an overnight. So literally I've got 15 minutes to grab stuff and get out. So literally basics. 4 litres of water, hip flask of spirits, Samantha and her twin sister as a spare, bit of power cord, my very good little poncho thing, doesn't cover the arms but it's waterproof, basically a bin bag with a hood, tissue paper, hammock, small tarp, underquilt, sleeping bag and my quilt jacket. So that's basically it in the Bergen. No food. I'm going to take extra strong mints for energy and my straw, my filter straw. That is basically it. And what I'm going to be wearing, which is basic stuff, not even a coat or anything. If it rains, I've got that. I've got a spare pair of socks. That is my kit for the overnight. So yeah, not the video I'm going to be posting. Although whilst I'm out, I might do a bit of an Ubex.